They're Faduma and Kinsi, two sisters bright and whimsy. Together they're the perfect team. Without any worries, they share heartfelt stories from the Somali Museum. Traditions of their culture, a heritage to nurture, the bond of sisterhood in air. With every passing hour, there's something to discover, and fill your hearts with love and care.
Live with Faduma and Kinsi. Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I'm Faduma. And I'm Kinsi. And you're on air with Faduma and Kinsi from the Somali Museum. We are so glad to have you back with us, friends.
Yeah, we missed you all. Look at what we've got for you today. Check out these awesome artifacts and traditional Somali drum and this beautiful woven basket.
Isn't it amazing how two completely different things can tell such unique stories?
Exactly. The drums make fun rhythm while the basket shows creativity and skill. They're different but both totally awesome.
Kinsi, that reminds me of how some animals can look similar but act so differently. Like a house cat and a lion. Same family, but wow, are they different?
Right? One's a cute pet, but the other is a wild beast in the jungle.
Exactly. Let's reach into our topics box and reveal today's topic. Drumroll, please. Looks like our topic of today. Now we want to hear from you, friend. Can you think of something or someone that looks alike but think or act differently? Maybe a toy, a game, or even a friend who likes different things than you do. Just like our new friend Yusuf.
Sin made of tiny pieces of rock, sometimes shells, has lots of sin.
Hey, what's everyone doing?
We're about to play tag. Wanna join?
Totally. Who's in?
I'm in.
Me too.
Not it. Hey guys, maybe we should ask the new kid Yusuf if he wants to play with us.
You should. I'm sure it isn't easy to start a whole new school.
Good idea. Yusuf, would you like to play tag with us?
Is that a yes or no?
That's okay. You don't have to if you don't want to.
Wow, this is amazing, guys. Check out what Yusuf made.
All right.
So many people. Too loud, too loud. No, my castle. It's ruined. It's ruined. Castle gone.
Salam, Miss Hannah. Yusuf forgot his lunch in the car. He'd be devastated if he didn't have his mom's famous food. It is okay, son. You are safe. Breathe with me.
I'm sorry, Yusuf. I didn't mean to.
It is okay. You see, kids, I should tell you, Yusuf has autism.
Autism? What is that?
It means his brain works in a special way. He's great at remembering facts and loves building things. But sometimes too much going on can overwhelm him. Allah made us all different, and that's what makes us unique.
Hey there, my son, let's share your light. You bring so much joy, making everything bright. With a heart so big and a smile that shines. You're unique and special, and I'm proud you're mine. Allah made us all with love, it's true. Different yet alike, just like me and you. thousand shapes. You rise and you fall. Each new day brings adventures to find. Your perspective on life is one of a kind. Yeah, Allah made us all with love, it's true. Different yet alike, just like me and you. Every voice matters, every story we share. In this beautiful world, we'll show that we care. Let's celebrate differences side by side. Together we'll create a world filled with pride. You're here to teach me, and I'll elevate. Every person is worthy, and every person is great. Yeah, so let's walk together and sing this song, respecting each other where we all belong. Let's spread the love and share a smile. Together we'll journey hand in hand, mile by mile. Allah made us all with love, it's true. Different yet alike, just like me and you. Every voice matters, every story we share. In this beautiful world, we'll show that we care.
So today we learned something really important. Being different makes us unique. Yeah, even if we think or act differently, we can all be great friends. What's important is being kind and understanding. Right, everyone? Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Bye. And remember, it's always cool to spread kindness wherever you go. Big thanks to Yusuf's mom for this delicious food. Hey, save some for me. No, get your own. So much for spreading kindness, Kinsi.